Hi there. If you're on a mission to boost your English listening and speaking skills, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into 5 smart strategies that will help you become a more confident and fluent English speaker. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, these tips are for you. Let's jump right in. 5 simple tests for student improve English. Step 1. Consistent practice. First things first, consistency is key. Just like mastering any skill, improving your English listening and speaking requires regular practice. Set aside time each day to engage with English content, whether it's watching movies, listening to podcasts, or reading articles aloud. The more you immerse yourself, the more natural the language will become. Step 2. Active listening. Listening isn't just about hearing words. It's about understanding context, emotions, and nuances. Train your ear by actively listening to a variety of content. Try to identify keywords and phrases, and practice summarizing what you've heard. This will enhance your comprehension and improve your ability to express yourself effectively. Step 3. Diverse content engagement. To truly excel, expose yourself to a range of English accents, speaking speeds, and genres. This exposure not only helps you adapt to different linguistic situations, but it also expands your vocabulary. So, mix it up. Listen to news broadcasts, watch TED Talks, enjoy sitcoms, and explore music lyrics. Step 4. Repetition and imitation. Repetition is a powerful tool for language learning. Listen to sections of content multiple times, focusing on mimicking pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Record yourself speaking and compare it to native speakers. By practicing these patterns, you'll refine your speaking skills and build confidence. Step 5. Engage in meaningful conversations. Speaking with others is where the rubber meets the road. Seek out opportunities to engage in English conversations. Join language exchange groups, participate in online forums, or find a language partner. Conversations provide real-life language exposure, helping you navigate the complexities of natural communication. There you have it, 5 intelligent strategies to supercharge your English listening and speaking skills. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a destination. Stay patient, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the process. As you incorporate these strategies into your routine, you'll notice remarkable progress in your language abilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to learn English and more, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more language-related content. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining.